Hello, and welcome to the Corpus Linguistics Workshop with Dr. Barami Hirishai. In this video, we will look at the academic vocabulary list in the COCA, or the Contemporary Corpus of American English. The academic vocabulary list was based on the study by Gardner and Davies in 2013. If you go to the website of COCA, click on this icon to access the academic vocabulary list. Once you reach this page, there are two ways to see the words in the academic vocabulary list. You can search by lemma, or you can search by word families. Let's select searching by lemmas. If you click on it, it will bring you to this page. In this function, you can search for a specific word used for academic purposes. Alternatively, you can search for a word class. For instance, you can search for a highly frequent noun, like this, or highly frequent verbs, or just adjectives. You can also select a specific discipline right here in the drop-down menu. There are 8 disciplines, including history, education, social science and geography, law and political science, humanities, philosophy, religion and psychology, science and technology, medicine, and business. You can also specify the ranking. For example, you can choose the top 500 words, or words ranked between 501 to 1000 as well. You type here. Okay, like this. Okay, then you can choose the words that are ranked between those. Okay. By way of illustration, let's select the nouns, just the nouns, in the field of medicine. Okay, the words are ranked within the top 500. And click Submit. So here is a list of the common frequent nouns in medicine. You can see the word here, okay, and the pronunciation should link you to a video clip that contains the word. Also, you can find the frequency per million words across the 8 disciplines. Now let's choose a different discipline. Okay, let's choose law and political science. And click Submit. And here we can see the frequent nouns in law and political science. If we want to know more about the word, you can click on the word. For example, let's click on the word resolution. So once we click on the word, it will bring us to the page that offers you more information about how the word occurs in different sections of the COCA, and also the frequency across the 8 disciplines. Also, it can show you a picture if you click on this, okay? And also it can give you a translation into the selected language, okay, through Google Translate and also other online software. Okay. You can also see the synonyms of the word right here, okay, and on the right it shows you the topic that this word tends to be used. In addition, okay, we also see the collocation of the words. Okay, the collocates are divided into 4 parts of speech, including the noun, the verb, adjective, and adverb. Also, we have related words as well right here. And down below, we have cluster information. Okay, and here it gives you the phrases that the word tends to be used in. Okay. Now at the end of the screen, we find concordant signs with repeated patterns highlighted. So I guess this function is really useful if you want to learn more about academic vocabulary. That's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Until then, goodbye.